You should tell me something about you in brief, in which you have to cover only 2 to 3 aspects. One is your educational achievements, which makes you different from other. Second is your extracurricular activities, and the third, what basically PUC is all about.
Okay, sir. Thank you. First of all, good afternoon, sir. Thanks for allowing me to introduce myself. I am Piyushi Mantri, born and brought in the Dapur only. I have done a graduation and BCom from the MLS University, and currently I am pursuing my masters and building my career in the stream of finance. About my family background, I live in a joint family. My father is a mechanical engineer, and my mother is a branch manager in the Udaipur Mahila Samriddhi Urban Cooperative Bank. Apart from it, I remember one beautiful quote, that is one for the soul and one for the kitchen. That means for the soul satisfaction, I love baking. I'm home baker. At the last, I learn a lot. Apart from this educational qualification, I done my schooling from the Alok Senior Secondary School. In 10th standard, I scored 8.5 CGPA. In 12th, I got 82 percentage. Along with the BCom, I have pursued the company secretary course, that is company secretary. And at the Dapur level, I scored highest marks in law. And at the executive level, I exempted in 2 subjects, that is taxation and cost. And apart from it, educational qualification, uh, I remember that I have participated in the business plan competition held at the college level. uh, that's all about my briefing, sir.
Okay. So your father is a mechanical engineer, right?
Right,
So
sir.
what you were having in the graduation? What streams?
So I'm
What
become
what
bachelor
what
of
you have done?
commerce.
Okay, BCom. So why you have
Yes.
not chosen science mathematics in the 10th and 12th, and then engineering, because your father is a mechanical engineer. You might have dreamed for her daughter to become the engineer.
From the childhood, sir, I when I come to know that the career in the commerce and more the opportunities I come to know about, then I feel that I pursue that I want to go in the field of commerce. And I personally believe that there are a lot of opportunities in the field of commerce. That's why I have choose the MBA and the
Give
field
me
of
the idea
commerce.
that how and what kind of opportunities are available for the commerce student. If you have not came for the management courses for the MBA, because engineer also can do MBA, right? So
Right,
if you
sir.
would have into the BCom only, then what do you feel? What kind of opportunities were available for you?
Sir, as you stated that engineering student can also come into the commerce field. So, as it already clear that there are lot of opportunities because they are having a degree of BTech or having a stream of finance, they are coming to the commerce field. And apart from BCom, we have a lot of doors open in the commerce, just like CA or professional courses or diplomas.
Okay. What is your dream, Piyushi?
Sir, basically, my dream is to become a financial analyst in the reputed company.
Financial analyst you want to become, right?
Yes, sir.
So what do you feel? What kind of companies are giving that kind of opportunities to the students?
I feel that initially there is a not such, but initially company is giving only a work of accountants or basic. But after a while, I'm saying that's a financial analyst after a 5 or 6 year back of MBA.
If any MBA student is getting a job of accountant, because normally the accountant profile, any companies are recruiting, they are recruiting the MCOM graduates, right? MCOM postgraduate students.
Yes, sir.
So they are hiring any MBA student for the accountant job. What salary you expect from any good company for the accountant profile at an initial level?
At initial level, I think, sir, it's 25,000 or 30,000 per month
Okay,
for
do
the.
you have an idea that the companies are giving that much salary to the accountant?
Yes, sir. 25,000. Recently, my brother got selected, and I have idea about that.
Okay.
Thank you,
Nice,
sir.
nice talking to you.
Me too, sir.
Good afternoon, Piyushi. So, all set?
Yes, sir. All set.
So I was listening to you. You have a very good academic record in 10th and 12th.
Yes, sir.
And what I've generally seen is mostly commerce students who are good at studies. They want to become CA.
Yes, sir.
So why didn't you choose that line?
Sir, I have chosen that line. Along with the BCom, I have pursued the company secretary course also.
So is CA and CS same?
What, sir?
Is CA and CS same?
No, sir. That is a major.
I'm talking about CA.
Okay, sir. Fine. CA Chartered Accountant.
Yeah.
I feel, sir, the company secretary. Sir, can you please repeat the question?
I said mostly. I've seen most students who are doing well in their 10th and 12th, commerce students, they prefer CA.
But sir, my area of interest is not a CA. I from childhood I would like to pursue like theory subjects, and the CA is all about practical aspects. So that's why I have not pursued chartered accountant course.
Okay. So what is your aim, short term and long term goals?
Okay, sir. The short term goal or objective, I can say that I have to get a placement or job in the reputed company, and long term objective is to become a financial analyst in the reputed company.
Okay. You want to become a financial analyst.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You also said that your mother is a bank manager.
Yes, sir. She is a branch manager in the Mahila Samriddhi Urban Cooperative Bank.
So you have no interest in banking?
No, sir, not at all.
So neither you are interested in your father's profession nor your mother's profession. So how is it?
Yes.
How is it that none of them have been able to motivate you?
Sir, I'm self-motivated with my own dreams, and I know that whatever field I have chosen, that's all because of my parents' role, and they have supported me over this, and that's all.
Okay. So amongst your parents, your father and mother, whom do you like more?
So, this is a typical question, but just I love my mom because the relation with my mom is 9 months more. That's why I love my mom the most.
Okay. What are the qualities of your mother that you adore?
She's a hardworking. Apart from having a many struggles in her life, she come upon and build her image in the market as a branch manager. That spirit that inspires me a lot, and I personally believe that I would. She's a role model of my life. I personally believe that I would be like her only.
One quality of your mother which you feel impressed you the most and you would like to have it.
The quality which I like her most, that patience and hardworking.
Okay. So you said that you want to become a financial analyst.
Yes, sir.
What is the job of a financial analyst? Usually?
So as I already stated to Arvind sir, that the major role of financial analyst is to evaluate, analyze the financial decisions of the any company, that is investing decisions, financing decisions, and dividend decisions and all.
One suggestion if you have to give to finance minister
Yes,
to
sir.
improve the financial condition of the country after the COVID, that one suggestion would be as an MBA student?
Sir, I can ask the ministers that they have to market share of the company. They can increase that, and apart from it, they can motivate the people that they have a crisis. Apart from it, they can provide a loans to the local businessman, and at the low cost, so that they can have
Okay.
manage the fund.
Okay. Usually, what portals or what papers do you read to keep yourself updated on your subject?
As a Rajasthan Patrika.
Rajasthan Patrika.
Yes, and not on daily basis. Whenever
What is
I
your
can.
specialization?
What, sir?
What is your specialization in MBA?
As a finance.
Finance.
and HR.
Okay. So on which page does finance news come in Rajasthan Patrika?
Sir, I basically prefer the Economic Times
Okay.
for
So I
that.
was asking you which paper you read. You were telling me Rajasthan Patrika.
No, sir, that for the general knowledge, I prefer the Rajasthan Patrika, but for the that's Economic Times, and this I am so much happy that this level of reading is done by the Manoj sir. They have built this thing upon from the MBA journey. That after that, I have learned that Economic Times has
Okay.
the.
So, okay, Piyushi, nice talking to you.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Rathod sir has asked you one question to give suggestion to the central government about how to improve the conditions of financial conditions of businessmen, right? Can you tell me, Piyushi, what is the difference between does your books, like the books that you read in terms of financial management, does it cover these aspects of public finance also? In your
Yes,
subject, have you heard about these aspects of public finance also?
yes, sir.
Okay.
But
And
at this moment, sir, it is not in the deep. But yeah, I have
okay, so how do you differentiate this private finance versus public finance? These are two different streams, right, altogether.
yes, sir.
So what are the things which are covered into private finance and things which are covered into public finance?
As a public finance, majorly used by the companies as they have issued a large amount of shares to the to the customers or to the market, and private finance, that means that we are borrowing from the banks, commercial banks, and financial institutions from our friends, relatives.
Okay, okay. So and apart from it, Piyushi, you would be having certain knowledge of this statements, different type of statements that we make into finance, right?
Yes, sir.
Have you gone through it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Piyushi, tell me that a company is having a positive cash flow, right?
Yes, sir.
Whether that company whether that company can face financial problems or not. Suppose my company has positive cash flows, right? Is
Yes.
there any chance that I can have financial problems?
Sir, if you are asking that if a company has a positive cash flow, then it is a able that to it is absolutely fine that the company can grow to any problems from the financial deficiencies.
Okay. In what sense? In what sense? Say, for example, in which conditions I can have financial problems?
Sir, you can take a latest example of COVID also. The company can overcome that too. Any problem.
Okay. It seems you're not getting the question. I'm asking Piyushi that if my company is having positive cash flow, does it means that I don't have any financial problem? Or does it mean that there are chances of financial problems also?
So there is no chances of financial problems with the company now,
No chances of financial problems.
because cash flow is positive, therefore inflow is having.
Okay, okay. What about if I got delayed payments at this point of time?
No, sir.
Suppose
If the company is
I,
having the inflow and the company is having the positive cash flow, then why
Mhm.
the company should delay the payments? The company is in the solvency condition and can able to oblige its loan.
Okay, okay, that's fine. Which is the other specialization that you have, Piyushi?
Sir, it's your subject only, HR.
Okay. Human resources. Okay, so it means that I should not ask question, because if you don't answer, then Arvind sir will question my potential. Okay, so I'm taking a risk on you, Piyushi, right? We will be discussing about human resources now. Piyushi, what do you think? So, as a human resource professional, right, what are the major functions that you have to look after in any organization?
So basically, as a human resource manager, I would like to take a major decisions like selection, recruitment, and promotion, their training and development. Apart from that, performance appraisals to the human resource.
Okay. You have recently done an activity, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you were also coordinator. So tell me the difference between recruitment and selection, Piyush.
Nice question, sir. Recruitment means when company is inviting the applications from the candidates to apply for the specific job, and the selection is company is selecting the best candidate for the job vacancy the company is having.
Okay. That's fine. That's all from my end, Piyush.
Thank you, sir.